Hi everyone, this is Kai, or you can call me Pritam Kaiser or Nadiru Kaiser. You can see my channels, it's named by my name, so you can subscribe, like and share, and you can stay with me. Sometime I run a giveaway, and this is all about I'm a COO in Automation Partners AI, also business owners in Click the Gym. Both companies I'm working, both companies I am founder of Click the Gym. I'm also co-founder of Automation Partners AI, also COO. So right now, what you're seeing, we're completely automated the social media marketings, and you can see it's built on make.com. So what is different? Like nowadays, many people have social media automation just like us, and we have AI over here with ChatGPT. You can see already, and the difference between there and ours is we're so high-endly optimized. Like every single post we will do, it will bring some react engagement traffics. You can finalize or get to the analytics. Okay, so in that perspective, we're gonna try it out, and if we find any problems, we will fix that front of you. There is no cut or no editing, high-end editing, so you can see this is raw. Okay, so before that, I want to introduce what is Automation Partners AI is, because you want to know who is this guy and what is his company does. So Automation Partners AI fully optimized business companies, enterprise, small local businesses, and the best part is if you visit over here, let's say you can get any products over here, and we made more products. The most intensive parties, we made some technology which you will see similar apps like ours, but they doesn't have that technology. Even the $1 billion apps right now, they doesn't have that, but we have. So for example, these apps have some features that nowadays, I mean, $1 billion lead generation app doesn't have, and those features build in a way like it will make your life more easy for marketing purpose. So most probably we use already, others use that. You can buy these apps, no problems, you can use that. You can also take help from us how to set up all these things, and you can do whatever you want. Also, if you're a banker or you're a big business and you want something like I want to have an apps that fall under my control, no third-party organization is selling my data, selling to someone else, and everything is under control. So if you want something like this, you can go with custom stacks. We guarantee we do the contracts with you that any codings we do with your systems is not gonna go with someone else, and never gonna be still exposed or anything else. Your data stay with you, nobody steal, nobody sell, and we have ability to take control. If somebody somehow in your employees sell this data, we have ability to take covers to those data from the place and track him down and totally destroy him in a legal way. So we have that much calibers to build apps for you, which is nowadays the biggest company, not a small company, biggest company's high priority is saving my data, stay my server always live, even anything happens. So we can go with this kind of things. We can go beyond of these things. We can even build something like ChatGPT's LLM, just like XAI and ChatGPT's Cloud AI. Okay, completely different way, and more than beyond that other never thought about. So what is different between other software agency and ours is, if you talk with them all the day and you told them that I need this kind of apps, you don't have the experience, and you will get what they will give you. You will never know what apps it could be more better, and that's we care about. We will show you what's the difference between others if you go somewhere else, and we add something special features that make your apps more exceptional that you never ever thought about. Because we are highly experienced, we previously worked with many projects, we are already building our own apps and other apps. So you can get the best of the best. You can also know that nowadays frameworks like others all-in-one apps and different between ours. Okay, you have no boundaries. Okay, you want to build any apps that like do this things, that things. Even you have an idea, but nobody was saying, yeah, we are gonna build that. We can build that for you. So that's an Automation Partners AI, the most complex, challenging, high-end apps we build. We doesn't go with simple things. Okay, so if you don't make like around 10k or 20k every single month, then this is not for you. But yeah, we sometimes do small projects which are very small affordable cost, and yeah, you can get the 2x less cost deal from us than others. Okay, because we are direct, there is no other parties, extra investors who will call us all the day and ask for their ROI or returns, anything. I mean, we are direct, and there's no video, there's nothing else I need to pay someone else if you buy or make a deal with us. That's why we can go completely 2x less than other software agencies. Okay, so this is Automation Partners AI. So now I'm gonna go to the social media. You can see that this is Google Sheet, where all the informations are given as a knowledge base, and it will get from here to all these things and come over here. So I'm not gonna teach you these things, because that thing will not gonna help you out. Because if you are making 6k to 10k every single month, you don't have a time to learn these things. Because if you focus on these things, you're gonna lose a lot of money. And even if you learn, before that somebody gonna come to us, buy a plan, and hire us to set that up in a 1 or 2 days. So he's gonna go, or she's gonna go one step ahead than you, right? So we don't want you to lose like this. So we know some customers working with us and they're one step ahead than you, because they hired us, they ask for whatever they want to get from us, and they get that. But you want to learn from us, we don't even have a time that much for you. We can teach you, but it will waste your valuable time. So we recommend you to hire us instead of learning from us. When if you learn, your brain will be messy. Okay, you are admin, or you are a HR, or you are an employee. You have so many tasks to do, so many responsibilities to do. So you have to focus on your jobs by hiring somebody else. So that's the main points. You should go with Automation Partners AI. Okay, so you have Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn. We can add more. Okay, so this is an example how we make an automations and why you should go with us instead of others, because we focus on end by end. I mean, we need engagement. You post every single day AI based content, but you're not getting traffic, you're not getting engagement, nobody is liking, reacting, so many things not happening that you expected. But you were active with AI, but that's the main goal. Okay, our automations is the main goal. You get ROI and results. Okay, not only posting all the day and get nothing. So I'm gonna test that. I just finished that few hours ago, and I'm excited to show that. And if I face any kind of errors, I'm gonna fix front of you. I'm not gonna teach you because it will waste your time. Better if you hire us. Okay, and all the information link will be go under below. And yeah, if we find any error, this video might gonna get long for fixing those, but yeah, you will learn some parts. Okay, so let's get started. This is my LinkedIn. You can follow me, you can send me ad request. Okay, no problem. I mostly work with US people. I also work with Canadian people. I also work with some celebrities before. I worked with Hollywood celebrities, singers before. I worked with Australian MMA champions before. I worked with French influencer before who to work with Mike Tyson, Jeff Bezos, very big people. Okay, so I'm used to work with any kind of people, and they're very comfortable. They are very like they even review me. I have review on my YouTube and other channels. If you like to see, you can watch. Also, you can follow and subscribe. I didn't verify yet because my previous LinkedIn account got banned. I don't know why. They never sent me any reason, and I want to show you the mail because the mail says, I mean, if you want to believe that, I mean, don't believe that, I can show you my mail. Okay, so I don't want to go that far. That's not an important part for you. So if you want, you can connect. If you're serious people like me, I don't I don't spend time in weird things. Okay, so this is my Facebook, my personal account. You can also send me ad requests. You might not be able to send me ad requests. Better if you send me message first, because there are many fake people send ad requests. I have already over like 100 people ad requests just on my Facebook, and 90% are fake. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the company account. Let's try with the Click the Gym. Click the Gym is the internet marketing service provider. They doesn't make any apps. They doesn't do anything like product part, but we provide very high-end marketing service. Okay, so here we will see any post happens. We will see over here. Let's go with the Pinterest. Okay. So this is my Pinterest account. So now I'm gonna try it out. I hope I will not get any kind of error and everything work properly. Cross fingers. Okay, let's go. So you can see it will go first with below lines, then it will go with Pinterest, then it will go with LinkedIn. You can see over here what first, second, and after this line done, this will be the second. So everything is done with automatically. Now you might be thinking, if you're never ever friendly with automation partners or automations, you might be thinking, am I need to come over here and click on the press buttons every day and get that? No, you don't, because you just come over here, turn it on, everything goes successfully, then every day, daily, that moment it will automatically post. Okay, so we can see there is a small error, and we can figure it out, and you will know how to fix that. Okay, so you can see that the image is fine. We need to find out what the problem. Printed body is fine, node is fine. It seems like node is very big. Okay, all text is fine, so I need to from that guy, so make the node below 100 characters. It went over too much. Okay, so copy this one. You have to make everything under 100 characters, 120 characters. Let's go with a little bit long because we need some keywords and some good parts over there. Okay, so let's get started. I hope this time it will work, and we're gonna run songs so we can see it's working or not. Okay, so let's play that, and we can see it started over again. Going to routers. Okay, create an image. So we can remember this is the last photo we post. So we're gonna refresh that after it posted over there, and after that it will go through here and then here. So we have to wait. Okay, so we found another error. So okay, what's the problem? Maybe URL has the problem. Okay, so we're gonna say, how about this? We don't go with the URL. We just go with direct URL. Okay. So I'm gonna save it. So next time, anytime the post, it doesn't make any error because that's the URL it's supposed to post. But I added like this way, like, hey, just any URL you get, you just add over there. Okay. So let's try it again. I hope so. It wasn't the fault of notes, but we will try again. But it's also giving you the thought, just in case we face this error. Like many people are making these social media automations, and sometimes they get the error. They might be able to find out what's the problem. Okay. So and in my channel, sometimes I run a giveaway, funny post, a funny video post, and beside this, I mean, for example, if this video right now I'm announcing, if this video get 10k views, 100 likes, and among all the subscribers, only subscribers, okay, not viewers, like and comment. If we make 10k views and 100 likes, 100 comments, or 20 comments, okay, 20 comments, let's not make it hard, then from our subscriber, one of our subscribers might not gonna get $100. Okay, so this is officially announced on this video only. If we get 10k views on this video and 100 likes, 20 comments, I will give away $100 among one of our subscribers. Okay, so keep in mind, and let's get started so you don't lose any giveaway. Okay, so still even after adding the URL, it's giving us error. So it's a 4041 message code. Sorry, this site doesn't allow to save the pin. Okay, so let's go with this again. And what's the problem? Let's find out. Okay, so everything is fine. Type yeah, if you think I'm doing anything stupid, let me know. Okay, I think we need to go with this one. Okay, let's go with this again. So if you go with Automation Partners AI and you want something like I want something like my models, my face, my voice, it will make 2 minutes video, shorts, reels, and post on my YouTube. And you have some existing videos, pictures, and everything, we can build that also. Okay, you can also resell to your followers or someone else, whatever is an influencer or somebody else. so we both can be beneficial. So if you're something like that, you can also follow us, no problem. So this video is making more bigger since we failed to fix that. So let's see if we can fix it this time. So it's the data structures. It's gonna generate the data structures, then it's gonna go with Pinterest. I hope this time we will be able to post. I believe so. Yeah, so that was the URL issue. So I added the URL in an appropriate way. Now it's posting. So let's refresh it and let's see what it posted. Okay, so it posted as I prompted, and it's related to my websites, what landing page I offer or something like this. For example, this is that social media post related to our landing pages, so it's a high conversions. Few minutes later you might gonna see some views, react, or some people, and everything is covered up, and you don't need to come over here, change all the tags, all the things. Okay, so if you're an influencer, you're a fashion designer or whatever it is, and you're looking for somebody who can set up for yours, we can do that. We are Automation Partners AI. Our eating, living, all these things are related to automation. Not only make.com. If you say, yeah, I'm doing an NNN, somebody somewhere else, we can do that. That's nothing bigger, harder for us. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh that, and this is the recent post. Okay, you can see it now, which means this is the recent post. Also adding the link, adding some sassy icons, add some call to actions, hashtags. Look at that, nice. So in a few hours or in a few seconds, I'm gonna start getting react over here. Okay, so I am gonna wait here. You can see the impression is already 2. I just watch once, but we can see the 2. If we refresh more, we will see more. Okay, so in few hours it will start getting react. Okay, so we can see 2 views already, and here on the Facebook. Now let's go with the Facebook. Okay, so we see also a good call to actions, descriptions, link, good hashtags. And if we go inside our meta, we can see how many people just see this post. Okay, so like you wanna go with like size wise. Okay, like you wanna see, hey, I want my image will go 2080s into 720 pixels. We can do that, but we need to do some programming over here, not in make.com. We will build completely SaaS apps for you. You can use that, also sell to others. Okay, it's completely up to you. So this is things now very fast. People are doing, even you can do by codings. Okay, you might be developers, you might gonna need to use your own skills if you're developers, but if you're normal people, you're planning to make by using vibe codings, you might be not able to do that if you don't have good coding knowledge. Okay, so this is an example. I'm not saying you have to do that. Okay, with size. Okay, we can do in Instagrams, we can do others. I didn't add those and didn't show you, but I can set up all these things, even including your websites. I can also generate videos and send as a story and reels, and every post will be get better engagement based on your business, what I will set up or what we will optimize. So we can do this kind of optimizations, automations, AI which nobody can. I mean, if you can try with somebody else. I'm not saying we're the best, but that's we only focus on customers, because your win is our win. That's it. If you don't win, it will also make us feel bad. Okay, because you come over here, you're spending money, so you can save your time, focus on somewhere else. You're not getting any money after the marketing, promotions, all those things. It's not. We are not for you. Not only we, anybody on earth who are not able to give you something, they're not for you. So that's the main ethical stuff. So if you're looking for ethical services, something like that, you can visit our Automation Partners AI. You can book us. Okay, you can book us on our calendars. We are real people. Will come on the meetings. We will talk with you, and we will know your business. You will know our policies. We will talk with you. We will find out very in-depth solutions, and we will go with that way. Okay, and then we will start working. You can see all detail what we will talk about, but we highly ready for doing any impossible work that you're looking for but you're not getting. Okay, so this is all about. Thank you for watching the entire video. Remember the giveaway, and remember what we can do, and remember, if you're highly seeking for serious people, I mean, you are also serious. You're not coming here to get some small things. You have something bigger planned, and you're very serious about investing, patience, scaling yourself, mindset, then you're welcome. I mean, we saw many developers, we saw many customers who came to us, and we also saw some developers work for others. They come to us, okay, because what they look for from them, they didn't get. Okay, and many companies come to us and revise their team's works to us. They show us privately, are they working properly or not, because they even after trying by ChatGPT's, Claude, and many, even you can see underneath in the ChatGPT, we might be able to make a mistakes, so verify sometimes. So they come to us because we are experienced experts, and they show us, are my teams is working perfectly or not, and we give honest review. Okay, ethically, not for snatching their customers, snatching their team's jobs. Some people stay with us, some people stay with their teams, try to fix that. If they can't fix it, they come to us because of our professionalism and experience. Also, if you're thinking about doing internships, like you're also a student, you're almost graduate or postgraduate, and you want to work with us as a software developers, you're also welcome. And you can also participate as a internships, like 6-month internships, and you'll get a certificate. It's a paid internships. Only CSC graduated people, students are allowed. And if you're from Bangladesh, in my country, you're most welcome. Okay, you have to know how to speak in English. If you speak Spanish, it's not gonna work, amigo. So you have to speak in English, because we all speak English. And yeah, I can speak Spanish, but I don't like to speak in Spanish all the time, because our customers, everything works on Spanish, not in English, sorry. So it's not gonna work. Okay, so if you're interested, you can contact with us. You can book a payment, you can book an appointment, anything. You can directly pay over here and contact with us. We will reach you out. We are active. Okay, we are direct. There's no catch, nothing else. Completely direct. Okay, and transparent. So have a great day and stay safe.